a new look for you. I have been inspired to do this look by a makeup artist. Yeah, I'm going to be wearing this black silk kurta and this gorgeous dupatta that I got from Amazon, and I really got inspired by the shades of gold in this dupatta. So I'm gonna get right into it. I've already prepped my skin with the Embryolisse Latte Creme Concentrate. It's been almost 10 minutes that I have applied the cream, and I think my skin is ready for some makeup. So let's get right into it. So guys, today I'm gonna be prepping my skin with the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere. Just a little bit of this on my skin. So guys, you can see how amazing my skin has become. I just took a pea-sized amount and applied it all over my face, and I think it has worked wonders. So guys, today I'm going to be using the LA Girl Orange Corrector to correct under my eyes and around my mouth. I am using the Beauty Velvety Blender again today to blend my corrector very slightly with the slightest pressure so that I don't rub it off. So I'm going to be using my WetNWild Stick Foundation in the shade Cream Beige today. And I'm going to add a hint of golden honey in it. And I'm using feather light touches so that I don't rub the product off my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige. So this really works well for covering and brightening up my under eyes. Today I'm not going to use too much concealer, just a little bit. Sugar foundation / contour stick to contour. I'm gonna go a little heavier on the contour today because I want a bronzed look with this dark smoky black gold kind of a look. I'm adding the tiniest hint of Morphe 2.65 under my eyes to brighten it up a bit and on the bridge of my nose. This is the Too Faced translucent powder. I'm using the same damp sponge and stamping on my eyes. This is a pretty thick layer since I'm doing my makeup early today. I want it to last at least till midnight. And I'm going to leave this on, especially because I'll be using the shadow black today. I don't want any fallout on my face. Okay guys, starting with the exciting part now. I'm going to be using the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite to do my brows. Starting with the eyes, I'm going to be using Maybelline Colossal Kajal to fill in my waterline. And I'm gonna smudge it with a teeny brush and pull it a little out. This is one of the easiest way to get a perfect wing, guys. You can try this out. You don't have to necessarily get such a thick waterline kajal, but you can just apply your kajal and pull it out with your fingernail or a brush, whatever. The Maybelline Gel Liner, and I'm going to be using this as a base for my black shadow so that I get a completely opaque finish. Now that my base is ready, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Morphe from this palette. This is the blackest bag and I love it. And I'll be using the shade Teddy to blend out any harsh lines. Using the shade 24 Carat right here on my lip. Just love the gold. Okay guys, I just cleaned up a little to sharpen my brows, and now I'm using the shade Pearl from Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette as an inner corner highlighter. Okay guys, now that the lashes are on, I want to use the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara to sort of blend both the lashes together. To line my lips. So to fill in my lips, I use the ABH lip palette, and this is a brownie coppery shade that I used. And I'm going to be dusting off the excess powder using the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this shade Yara. I don't want too much of a pinky or peachy blush on my face. I want something that will go with the bronzy look that I've gone for. I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner to add the thinnest possible liner. And last but definitely not the least, the WetNWild Precious Petals Highlighter. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I have really enjoyed doing these looks for you. Let me know how you guys like this. Guys, thank you so much for joining me.